Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Riot Vanguard for Valorant on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Riot Vanguard for Valorant on Windows, begin by visiting the official Valorant website. Click on the Play Now button located on the home page. This action will prompt you to create a Riot Games account if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once you have an account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to the download page. Click on the download link for the Valorant game client. Wait for the Valorant installer file to download to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. You may see a security warning. Select Run to proceed. The installer will begin extracting files. Once the extraction is complete, the installation window will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to agree to the terms and conditions. Select the installation location or leave it as the default. Click Install to start the installation process. The installer will download and install Riot Vanguard automatically. This process may take several minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. Riot Vanguard will now be running in the background. You can launch Valorant from your desktop shortcut or the Start menu. The first time you launch the game, the Vanguard anti-cheat will start. You may encounter additional prompts for permissions. Allow these as needed. After the setup, you are ready to play Valorant with Riot Vanguard installed. Enjoy your gaming experience in Valorant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.